Whoa. What is this doing out here? Hey, you won't believe what I just found out here in the jungle.
Chain secured on this side. Hook it up.
All right, take the slack up slow. Chains are tight, lifting now. Watch for falling debris. Good, keep it steady. All right, we're moving out. Keep it steady. Copy that. She's holding but shaking a bit on this mud. We're here. Lower it gently into the bay. Got it, chain secure. Looks like a real project. Let's get it inside. Oh. Keep it straight. Watch the front wheel.
Hold it steady. Sparks are flying.
Almost through this section. Panel's shaping up nicely now. Welding the seam, watch the sparks. Sanding this hood smooth for the primer. Fender's coming along, dust is everywhere. Base coat going on even and smooth. Looking good, keep the mist controlled. She's ready. Take her out.
Here we go.